Wholesum Harvest has been growing for 3 generations, working side by side with brothers and sisters. That creates a bond that is very powerful, that brings the focus into the business and the love for it and the passion for it. We want to grow produce that's safe and clean, that we can offer our family and our customers' family, and we feel that the organic way of growing with biocontrol and natural fertilizers gives us the best produce available.
We grow our vegetables in 3 different ranches, one here in Mexico next to the Pacific Ocean, in the Sonoran Desert, and in the state of Arizona.
We run a full program of organic vegetables to include cucumbers, eggplant, green, red, and yellow bell peppers, zucchini, full line of organic hard squashes.
We only use natural growing practices, and those practices enhance the flavor and texture of the vegetables we produce.
We look at greenhouses as a way to better manage our crop and help it protect from the elements and the pests. This offers us the ability to have year-round production in this facility.
The program kind of centers around tomato products, tomato beef, tomato on the vine, Romas on the vine, cherry on the vine.
Sustainable farming is very important to me because you are really a steward of the land and a steward of the business, and you want to bequeath it to the next generation in a better situation than you received it.
It's very important for our farm to be fair trade certified because it's an economic system that allows our workers to share in the success of this farm. We take care of the plants, the land, the workers, and our customers.
We've been at 20% growth for the past 10, 11 years. I think people in general are looking for healthy product to eat, healthy food, and we provide that.
What's wholesome about Wholesum? It's the product we grow. It's the love and effort we put into it. Wholesum Harvest represents food that is healthy and safe to eat for everybody to enjoy and a great meal.